Good night. Bye-bye. I love you. Araw-araw. Araw-araw. Magkikita tayo araw-araw. 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 Good night. Good night. I love you all. Bye-bye. Hala, dumami kayo kung kailan magbababay na ako. Bye-bye. Mag-leave kayo first. Bye. Or do you want me to clean in front of you guys? Ayaw. No na. Uy, mag-good night na ba? Bye. Good night na. Good night. Good night. Good night na ba? Good night na ba? Good night. Bye ha? I'm gonna end this. I'm gonna end this now. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye na ba? Why are you still here ba? Good night na. Bro, why are you all like late sleepers? Bye. I'm gonna extend today, there's no live tomorrow. Ika. Kidding, I'm kidding. Good night na ba? Mag-sleep na kayo. Okay? Mag-sleep na kayo, mag-sleep na ako, mag-sleep na tayo. And then mag-go to bed na like this. You know? You know? So, good night na. Good night. Good night to you. Good night to me. Mag-sleep na tayo. And then, you know, in the future. But tomorrow, I'm gonna exercise na tomorrow. I'm gonna exercise tomorrow. So, depende if I have the time and energy. Then I'm still gonna, you know, say hi to you guys and do a live. But you know, good night na ba? Bakit dumami pa kayo kung kailan mag-good night na ako? Guilty na tuloy ako. Hala ka, sige ka. Most sent no. Ang titigas ng ulo. Sige, I'm gonna leave you guys there. I'm gonna clean. I'm not kidding. Sige ka. Sige ka. Ano, who are you inaaway? I'm actually... No way, you just saw my password. I'm gonna change my password. Chismosa. Teka lang, parang nakakakita kayo, no? Be up to, bro. There's so ingay in the GC ba? Hala, dumami viewers kung kailan magbabay na ako. Guys, bakit kayo mag-late mag-sleep? Hindi yan healthy. Ay, hindi pa pala tuwag, no? Pero, bro, that's late naman, good. Kamu ba? Oh my God. I'm not gonna interact na, you said. I'm gonna clean. Dumami. Wow. So parang sinasabi nyo, mas gusto nyo, hindi ako nagtotalk. Sabi ko, hindi na ako mag-talk, tapos dumami kayo. Grabe ha? Grabe yan ha? Can you song suggestion? Wait, let me listen to... Grabe yan. Dumami yung viewers ko. Sabi, my mom is not with me here. Tapos nanonood pala siya ng live ko sa kwarto niya. What? Hi, mother. What are you doing dyan, ha? Sabi ko, mag-clean talaga ako. Sige. Sige, mag-wipe pa kayo. Sabi ko, mag-clean ako.
Isn't it lovely? Do anything to make you love me. Give it up if you told me that I'd be. Girl, in your eyes, you're mine only. Supposed to come wherever you want me. Give it up if you told me that I'd be. Girl, in your eyes. Tell me all the places, tell me what's your friend. Do all the
Ito mo sa left.
things to me. Last one, talking to you. I'm talking to you.
Thank you po ulit. I love you.
Isn't it lonely?
Then I'll be... How are you? How are my views? My views higher. Wala na screening that I was talking about. Screen ko. Okay, magkakamo. Sabi niyo, mag-watch kayo mag-clean ako. Nag-clean ako.
Bunkers natin sa larong ito. Ang nakaraan na laro ay alam na nag-release ng card. Kaya, lalawin natin ang random cards. Iuwin mo sila.
Gosh. I'm gonna clean my room then.
Thank you.